ase no fo esisi ho no bi ntiase a de omoko ama no 15 years na wo baako nti 15 years a so wo baako a ye do betu kwan ene se obetranse as a virgin awari bema baako a wonofo eye nketenkete ano ne betran no kurimu ebisi da onti ase no we dey asem sebe I kiss my rest enye no nko a ni kunu first one wu ye wankwa yie wandi kuna
on the
wu ye wankwa yie wandi kuna dia ososo wu ye no sebe ankwa yie andi kuna burube sanetie mamfansi wa
Ghana TV, so politics, trending news, and some hodra ejugu ewo abafofra manso ne yankasem Ghana ha honsem no bi na abrini na ye de eba bedamo na ene de ye sorry ne asanso ate asemfofra redie emuodu ankasa Ghana info ye de nim say ya dofofo mu ni ho a yenso ni ho ntini senti na abrini bebo ehomodin say ye de video a krojin ye de bi eba besom na ene video a trended de ye pese nyina fie ni gonko hwebimra ne ba eba betwum yenko hwebim
Mami Akosua Serwaa ne odobronyi. Mami odi oye yentinka menka. Uhwe mami Akosua Serwaa nkrata ode ba kota. Data na ewo so ye 1963. 1963 to 1973 10 years. 1973 to 1983 20 years. No aware bako. Wawo bako. Akura na nya 5 years. Nti akura na ye wo no 1978. Edru se odru 83 no na akura nya 5 years. Ti maame ne wo 15 years. Stawayo. 73 to 83 na meka 20 years no. To 1993. Kwakupon papa ede ni tu kwan oshia dad Lumba and also wari brunyi ti before 30 years no na kwakupon papa kwasi brunyi dad Lumba under 30 years.
There's a license fried rice we jananka fried rice
odo brunyi me ne o kasa yi no dia wari no oshia no a virgin. The first time we share ya deal no na mekase deal no se woni no 2006. From 2006 up to 2026 I'm breaking it down. Sa time yi na oni bema ba ko pe na atena. Bema ba ko pe na hu na daja. Oni X. Bema ba ko pe na oni wo ne manyina. Now Bob Bema na ye no ho ade 2010. Eni a me no na me Israel. Ne mansia. Woni Bema na wo ye no mo ye nso na ba ko firi mo. Na ne a me no kasa isa Bema ni nti onti ase no. O twen edi ne kuna se abusiafo be yi na firi kuna yem. Die hu nie. Wo hia Bema na oni na ho odin mu. Na o firi Germany abagana. Na sa time no wa wujina ho awu kada Lumba asem the youthful time of odobronyi o be share that Lumba yare or the crown no de nam hospitals or the crown no se obenya ahoden nti time nanka ababa wa nanka wasi so abeka se the youthful time no or need that Lumba or the life to ho for that Lumba. In the time I who that Lumba said no atono no. Keka so do brunyin kasa time we dey so gin ani we share musician no. Or the be share that Lumba. Na ya da ho mu. E ma na ho to no. This all compare mami no we ya. Stawa here. 63. ABC 1993. Yawari brunyi share that Lumba na ho din bre mu kura no yentimene na ntena we de nkamenka Asa no nofo esisi ho no bi ntia ase a de omo ko ama no 15 years na wo baako nti 15 years a so wo baako a ya do betu kwan ene se obetra ase as a virgin aware bema baako a wonofo eye nketenkete a no betra no kurimu ebisi da onti ase no we dey asem sebe I kiss my rest and as I rest my case dey na mope
There's asema woka no. Odobo ni oni X bia ba ko bi de o X o Y nyina nyaza.
bajo ai wadaro
It you have the X I find the Y.
Enye no nko a ni kunu first one wo ye wankwa yie wandi kuna
I want the
ni
same.
wu ye wankwa yie wandi kuna dia ososo wu ye no sebe ankwa yie andi kuna burube sanete mamfansi wa.
All right. Hey, Kike.
I think so. When you're surprised, this here.
Of course, I'm shocked. Eh?
So, body, obo we are na. Nanka men kasabet konkonte media lady went no meka 102 bi. Afa so ade we obey.
For our song has arrived, and me one is here and I'm in train. Viva no Kiki a drop here, but how did she get the artwork like this? Hey.
It's the right here. And normally a inhumana, kinky numana.
Me pacho rolling me pass my meal. Me pa me pouch. Me nyanya lawyer nti me srew.
Kinge
Joe Epekato me so me nya lawyer bia.
It's so nice.
Kinge bacho na oya kwa me miki adwuma o Germany ana.
Say Lexi. Bodu stag a we ya no say kinky no.
But I love it. I love that.
And you mean you kinky o. Ni for the man.
Etira me ntia se kwa me miki a next bi no ma bie no Germany.
O the day I be lock out also na kinky. Ye make
I'm about to me to speak about Pranamabo.
O the Friday abebo.
Baby me person me tie nti so obetimi abo aka me tie.
O the bomba kinky. Bomba.
Bacho
Why am I crash me Then the topic for the day, very simple but very nice and very educative. It was therefore I've been wondering since I done Lumba Wuyi and I remember Akosua. I think say Endra I chanced on a video and Nani Pano a banter between this same CLW for an assertive legal wife baby. And then one of the ladies was saying, say, she has now seen the reason why a man wa brucheno eba Ghana be fum Ghana ma and I say omoba no money Ghana ma be worry omoba no money Ghana man be abetwintre plan ya de enti eneno me person a sharp bruchawari because if you look at that Lumba as a person now, then you ask yourself, say, if that Lumba, that look at how that Lumba, like the storyline, that Lumba, behind that Lumba going to Germany and I said traveling, or so we school, and the beautiful lady, then now or not down for a year, Mammy Theresa. Saw the need Obama need to crime because he felt said there will be lots of prospect outside. And Teresa and a buano money to crime. Make sure say Obama is car obey all these things. And so one lady saw a good in that Lumba and then decided so buano money to crime. Then you ask yourself, say, okay, at one breath that Lumba. Okay. I was from Pacho Mekasa, I feel.
Na Kontonkyi media. You say Kontonkyi media say. Asimo kan ye fa ye kan me ti do kana si o. Opo so say that the Lumba nenim ni ade fa nenim me kan say me kan twini say. Oni ade fa na. Because say na o kire. Say nya ne yele no na say de.
I don't understand.
Me ma ya me hu di opo so kire no say de nti.
Mami sambo bi.
O de mo no ba nyu me ma mi ansa. Me fa nyina no. Ajay ho na etwi. Ho na etwi. Me fa nyina no.
Nka me bo yini wi.
Obo wi na say na nyina no. Obia wo de ope. Nti no won ti me kan je say na say do wi a o na o de nim na nyina no why? Me that's it.
And it's rolling. This is the sound.
Enti odobodi no for de kwa aware. Ah sa abra na mo kira sa nya ye ne ho ade. E no original way. Oba pan de odobodi no for de kwa aware. Ah sa abra na mo kira sa nya ye ne ho ade. E no original way. Oba pan de skirt e no de kwa aware. Hey. Ya bi edi mo ni kro. Me jitu say so ya Mrs. according to Kumasi High Court. Sada Lumba ye ne ho ade. Ti ma me de sa respect ne ma so ya Mrs. Ne mu no kra bi a wo de maka to so bepie me si bepie yet ha ye behu e bi na videos bi ba no expose si beba fi se sika bi e dia mama nkofo e hu confusions bi be si nature expose is coming. It's on the way coming. Nature will expose each and every one. When you want to go in some way, Emma ya bi yaw atu di pa bi akoma so na di pa bi di yaw. Yes, son, your mama be sreno. Nature me karma expose is on the way coming. Yeah, one in the 2010. And now you done a 2012 videos aba. Ah, obani ni kuna already. Say obani ni kuna. Hey, and I wish you between Danny Waboba. Say the man that Lumba so ngare. Yeah, then you bless the side away now. Ama enye bi explain.
Sorry, Jai, what do you know about?
Every odobodi sense bi ba ye. Sem penifo papa penifo bi penifo bet na radios.
Sorry, what do you know? Opeso boni nyina na say we are here.
No, I Serwaa na no so TNT.
Okay.
Yes.
So odobodi fresh ka fofie. Tisikani be de be ja ne babo bon sei. E bia ma obi. Sa oni ne nkonko ware. 2012 mponi na 2010 muso ye odobodi ho ade. Na 2006 dancing ni so sabra mo hu odobodi da Lumba de. E ye pe sabra no. Odobodi no. E fa no sitie ahwe. Enti odobodi no for de kwa aware. Ah sabra no mo kira sa nya ye ne ho ade. E no original way. Oba pan de odobodi no for de kwa aware.
All right. And Serwaa, that's it.
Serwaa, unse mebe to say na Lexi ede nyum echeche bibi mu ba na menti ase batem so obi ba ya subsequent speakers no no maka say sa kondo so omo bo ni din tina me pese metie di okan ya nkasa.
Okay.
Because I just don't see the drift. Me hu baby a so fi hin fa na eba. Enti sesi ano o patches o any size ni no nti ase a na sese na ese obi a se o person ware ese unya obi o boots bebre ansa no ware na say then I don't get it. Me nim say see na no patch na me sa ne ma we sister ayo me fo say Akosua che what I say ni pebia no say unim no kwa na hu ne size a utrim no fo say we dey ne size it kwa dey just unyi what I say sister ayo into be am penifo ayo mo de ese abo bi eze antro hwe say den o say ne ma me de we o tie ne ma me tie no like the same size what I say untimi hu mental.
Yes. Oh, we are listening to them.
Yeah, and this time, untimi hu obi size keke. Na untimi nka say, oh, we dey size we dey chese onyi. Many the entire man for you know, I just can't wrap my head around it because in some way, cost of Christ, I over baby, yes, sister or 32 years or 30 years or something. Question back when I had be a so or the birth certificate I bet you mana and waboni age or baby and I'm one. Ubu sometimes oh there be yes usa oyakola say mentia say ni pano ne size no so unya booze be bro so we unya booze be bro ni kro not kamfo no ni kro ne say nko obantema ati san kenye ni say waba be do say yeah platform bia obegina bia star hell oka sa asem we say ati yes oyere padie star hell nyanko nyame na dema meboa pese obua me before I end who said the bia den ya made the medical quotation be because na me kan no the bible ne kan de and I want her who say star who say books I wo bible mono do you know one of my favorite books in the bible Proverbs on semo hopa Proverbs so me share nya time me kai say me sure na me kan on Proverbs ne Psalms ne na me de yard when they mean to me kan ha say I don't mean to me kan ha say it's Proverbs in style me pepa me person wo do boa me na yenko Proverbs 19:14 Proverbs 19 verse 14 Stara how do be Bible a year obreo. Hey. We cry wo phone so a wo bon cry and bra obre.
I was at home by maybe here ready.
Me patch up boy. Yeah.
Proverbs 19 verse 14. House and wealth are inherited from fathers, but a prudent wife is from the Lord. Thank you, lady.
Stara how. San can be a mammy. Or be a Alex be boy me uchi no. Or bit my chance uchi a mammy.
House and wealth are inherited from fathers, but a prudent wife is from the Lord.
What is Stara how? Lexi was say.
Yes. Say Alex.
Yes, Stara how me wa hapa.
Lexi bit my boy me uchi mu kakra.
Chi no. Stara how. Or say if ye any ahode de e japade enya free ajanom ho but o yere pade awurade ene dema
Lexi dear Alex dear san kan biem Alex san ka ho biem san ka ho ni biem
efie any ahode de e ajanom ajapade a yedema but o yere pade awurade ene dema
enye team legal wife ene dema
debut
and yes for the way so sweet.
Yes, and yet the size of your body. What I say? You can be the most beautiful lady like in town. Beman on pewa style. Because you're a party. If you nyame ho. Nti won say be me be a platform, be na de bi obegina platform be a style or kan for na era. Say nyame a che na de pa. What I don't know. And yet na ho ofe bi na yesi we there ni boots ne back fe na oye kokko na oye tuntum na style o nentu na you know ni nyina nya di owo mu no what you say eno na ye hia nyame na de oba pache ana oyere pache what I say yesi ejane nanom de omumfie no musisi no mbetimi dia mo bia but yere pa de Repa deɛ style nyame na de ma. What I say into one mama side and oma side no here. Bia make style as o mama lady ne size no a dad because obi any age. Okoti bi mo platform now show 2024 bi no mo kasa say sa lady ne young girl no so unim age already. What I say? Me and size ye interest ye be respect you bia. Let's accord everybody the necessary respect. Na ye nyai the kasa bia ye kasa no. Me meti e kra na ye so oye so a blogger or a thing. What I say? Yen kasa ye neutral. When the end one kasa way ya. Una will be decided say bia opeso ye neutral. Say if you have taken sides already, you know, respect it. The way I have kasa cha man for ni say moi. Because uti what do we ya style. Last me koto say na Alex friend dimbi Kontonkyi media and a man for person mo chastise Alex o Lexi me Serwaa ni din de obo but o hwe ne kasa o kan dia na te se Kontonkyi no kra de e san ke de san twene ba for mo what I say o mon kasa yi bebre ba platform yi so betie o bebre unza makacho se baby a me wo kakra ni ntimi de me che o mo so o mo honsem bebre ba beti ti ade ntina yen to sa line na style e kwa na obi nka se tintina koso ne kabrofo se na maka na nya bobi o kabrofo nkwa na enimi nyansa what I say intino yen kasa yi se o peso ka ho na o peso o katwia obi a ne uni ayi bia but ye ma kasa no ho ntse kakra aya enye ya kasa se we ya chedodo sa sister no say na me last say monarch na kase no e concert party or kind no then I cast my man me kai pass on ne te say Ejako say then concert party bi sister bi no send the point monarch say we concert party a chenam say any ampa sister em say me hu no no unso she's not young ono so ne wonam she shakakra ba ono kran so unso but o show no pa o kan do bruni ansem de and there's a my drink will see Lumba numbi or boy or see nipa phone a cancer for no de Lumba na the born mo nyame na meka dia na the born what ya dey say ye ma kasa mti why say no beka say bia nipa beti but ye me fo say ye ma kasa wotia e be boy nyina.
All right. Thank you so much. Now let's come to the deal of the day. Pacho, and then we have a special topic that we'll be talking about.
So help mamenyi ba ko bi free man sana wakasa sana na me ba be kamfu wakonya ne ye one of the best chairs you very comfortable ne kala no flowers ne ti achiri any background no ne picture na e bosoro ho no fantastic na ne said ye o skin asi atoso ne akonya no but just say
hairstyle but say any lipstick me hairstyle
sister bi ebe ye utri nwi bi o de bedae o sore na half eye black say one who picture na. Oh, so I have a picture of Yaba, so I'm so one.
Yeah, so
woman over die, no any makeup, or so baby dear tem, or so free Ghana na, but no Magana view. Or die, or sorry, and then 2.5. I am black.
Right. As soon as I let you, who receipt to her? Oh,
hey, man,
No crow.
don't tell me, right? Please. Don't tell me. If you want to tell me, okay. Where is my speaker? I've been a speaker, no way.
Is it because I've changed the position to that sound necessary?
Okay, if you back some more.
Oh, sorry, I saw Okofa, Akwasi there.
me didn't believe it's a TikTok sound.
Okay, me back.
The voice in there. It's our help.
The voice quite different.
Yeah, TikTok.
Yeah.
Me back. I don't know, boy. Hey, about dominating. Me back.
But it's our help. What could you know set up in the fantastic. Okunya just say I know dressing in net I made by mouth 100%. I would do 4,000%. Hey, come up. I said,
and I sound name.
Oh, sound as I mean, can't sound. What sound that count?
I'll pass about view. And that's the right. Me born fear near her.
At this point, they rescue me.
Then try some fear. Let me know how it sounds.
So that's a messy crew.
On TikTok. And get ready to celebrate the first anniversary of our legend. We remember the debates, the battles, the arguments, and the long nights. Today, the supporters are ready to crown the winner of the TikTok battle. And the winner is Odobroni! Get ready! Let us celebrate Daddy Lumba, his music, his children, and his everlasting legacy. The people have spoken. The team is celebrating.
Let's go, guys!
From platform to platform, the discussions were strong. Everybody had a story, everybody had a song. There were arguments and questions, there were battles every night. But the team kept on standing for what they believed was right. Through the pressure and confusion, she continued standing tall. With the children and the legacy she carried through it all. Now the long debate is ending, let the celebration start. Odobroni is the winner in her supporters' hearts. Lift the band, sound the drum, let the celebration come. 1 full year is drawing near, let us honor Lumba here. Odobroni won. Through all the TikTok battles, see how far we've come. Odobroni won. Let the whole team sing. Tonight we celebrate, tonight we crown the queen. Odobroni won. Let the masses travel far, we are getting ready to remember our shining star. Daddy Lumba's music lives, his legacy moves on. 1 year celebration, everybody sing the song. They debated on the platforms every morning, every night. Some were speaking with emotion, some were fighting for the light. Through the noise and controversy, all the people held the line. They supported Odobroni through the difficult time. Now we turn away from fighting, let remembrance lead the way. Let us honor Daddy Lumba on his anniversary day. Let the children feel the support, let the music fill the air. For the legend who gave Ghana songs the whole wide world could share. Odobroni won. Odobroni won. After all the TikTok battles, see how far we've come. Odobroni won. Let the whole team sing. Tonight we celebrate. Tonight we crown the queen. Viva Soul Studios, we appreciate you. Honey Blossom team, we appreciate you. Evangelist Freda, Queen Afia Schwab, Chickle and CEO, you stood from near and far. Malizi, King K, Monarch Dakwa, Alberta, Ghpagetv, and Eddie Vibes Media, Richard Shows, Alex and Mr. Bemba, Storage, Lorenzo, 2 and Coffee Day. Tumizigi Atam, Branty, Heneo, Heneba Media, Don King and social media. Linda Asare and every faithful supporter, you stood with Odobroni through fire and water. And if your name was not mentioned, please know that you are still appreciated. Every voice, every share, every prayer, every supporter, this song is for you. No more fighting, let the music play. Let remembrance guide us on the anniversary. Let the legends, children feel the love surrounding them. Daddy Lumba's legacy will rise again and again. The battle may be ending, but the music will remain. To the joy and memories, through the sorrow and the pain. Odobroni, wear the crown your supporters give today. And let peace, love and honor lead the way. Who stood through the battle? Odobroni. Who do her supporters crown? Odobroni. Who are we preparing to celebrate? Daddy Lumba. Will his music ever die? Never, never, never. Raise your voices, raise your hands, let the celebration begin for the legend and his legacy. Let peace and love now win to every platform, every supporter, and every voice that stood with Odo Brony. We appreciate you. As we close this chapter, let us prepare to celebrate the first anniversary of the legendary Daddy Lumba.
Daddy Lumba!
The debates may end, but the music and the legacy will live forever.
All right! This is beautiful!
Sarah, so look up.
Solo Kupa. What do you think? Oh, my
And get ready to celebrate the first anniversary of our legend.
Okay. How was the speaker, first of all?
Unse Viva.
So good.
Rahel, utie song we are song. Na o de compare o de na. Obeka sa o de no omo produce no Akosua.
A French.
Okay, speaker.
There be any speaker na enyum na angasa.
Output no. Okay.
Yeah.
Rolling French for speaker no use of French.
Yeah. O de na the Easter it was bad. Nenye.
Yeah, I can hear it too.
I mean, you say TikTok.
Easter my mention. U speaker na the entire dey be aya complain bebre ne say. Un say obodi onyum na what I say is entirely different. Unse di audio so only speaker papa kra na di onyom na nkasa na eno na uti enye rhythm na ewo no.
Yeah, because we already know the familiar with
a legend nyom na obo nti eno na ya de ya anyu se betie but obebo viva nyum we no and I'm so speaker no Sarah you need to change it.
No, change it.
Speaker no
question you have to is a must. And yes I will change it.
So rolling the speaker no question that Lumba boy ye kura mu no.
Ampa
to be man.
So obonyom na na instrument ne read them no APA pa. Let's show. Speaker we the MP wahasi mpachoa.
So what on was share now? What on was share shameful speaker now na say but Viva me pacho. Now most of your song no read them now you're different. But this one stands out.
Yes.
Because all the time no na me train say obo a hot tempo song.
Oh, I hope a hot tempos no okay.
So sister ye jejo.
Ye jejo no ne dey ko Viva.
See we say you know the tempo was very hot, different.
Okay.
Very hot. And Ghana no. Odobro nyi bo no boko a ye betimi aye you but o free kuna ye mu a wo ho. Ye be hia de ye de be gi ye.
Oh, but the song is so nice.
Something like this. I was what tempo no.
Yeah.
Say asana de besa and I should commend you again because many words now we pull it together and crop for with the acknowledgement no. We thank you so much. Me say Friday dear you know platform
it still has to be here on Friday.
Oh yes, Friday
on Friday then
time.
I understand.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh yeah, bro, earlier, an hour earlier. An hour earlier, na intimate on trans. Yes, going to this one.
7 American time, yeah, 7 American time ago.
You be host to one Monarch, so another song being so why. And yes. The Friday we host you na Monarch and so within the weekend, another Saturday and Sunday we host Monarch so that the world has to know the faces and the names behind the song. And on behalf of the
so
platform.
amazing. Hey, Alex. Rahel also has one.
Yeah.
I said, "Do Monarch so awesome."
I just want to say big congratulations to Viva. The song is so beautiful. My only appeal in SMS Reno telewa for no. Enyimi ebo nyina o de ba ko bi gina say we interpret ba ko kra anya de. Because the brofo is brofo.
Keep that shit.
Asemo.
Bibi banyami shop na. Sarayo.
Also sir.
On this note no, also Sir Alex Unchantro. Sir Alex Unchantro. Receipt na me can afenda. So receipt na am for them go to get him from. Tie. Ade amobeti enye obi na aso ne generator. Enye obi na aso ne dormer machine. Eyi nipa da sani. Enye locomotive trains ni etwam.
But a video ana.
No crew. Free, I'm a hero. I'm a hero.
I'm a hero.
Like. And I was on the
come and sing Chromo. Oh, no,
I'm for record.
Are you for real?
Yeah, yes, that is true.
Killing you. Are you killing me?
Monarch.
Rolling. Now, why are you born?
On one idea, man, for the man, no.
I know you're Oprah Winfrey.
Monarch, I don't know to Mudi, we did the more.
Hey, so almost squad, no more.
But the who are you want to say? Once over no way makeup into or die no or down and sasso. The trino half a dan and sasso. Sorry, and not mensano. Apepa makeup nina na name.
Alas, I didn't okay to any cray.
Oh, kill me.
Anna, almost wonder. No, you saw none of them with Diana.
Send your mute your car. Hey. None in the man Samson that was the Lila Lapso. Ain't he sound and I'm what here, me Pamchanya machine be any padas and any sound. Live and current. Yes. Nasa wutu nkromu we ya. Nasa timinya kwa bibi. Esa boni fefri ni esrema.
No, we ukunu do beba we. Muso mensi on do beba. Ado beba Genesis.
La onja Alex ndi. Onyi ni amamensa mo bio. Sister, omo se nkromu no omo nyini se firi nim. Tie.
Mama no abro.
Na obeka ni se na osoro na odan bi before flag mu no kro oda obe hwan kro mu wi.
But like only the young one you say and then the man that die one life as well to come.
So kan ni se mu ni wi na say abono asam na abono nti o feel tipsy. We gonna have a baby.
Right, say what he say. I believe say be a man for send ya bro as receipt. Say on one kasa can say why you depressed now or no or drain the mental health at this moment. So what ya obekan in say hunu wie no and I can say and everybody should take it say this person no why you depressed. That is why and some obekan ni nyina no a ntronko a say oti Akosua say wa fi ho na jama na ban de death certificate be share Akosua say wansem obi a ono na wo dwen mental health no it means problem e won mental health no
but who make us sleep on the life and na
why depressed ono na kai enti eno no na dey nanu ba no so ono ankasa nim say nse wa obeka ni na ntro enti obeka san se bi wi And say no him so than the bed so depression no him so than the bed so.
Who said right na mo kasa ni I was lost. Na me nim baby amene na mo. Kinke make last statement he said oko ma Akosua Serwaa na wana ma adwen afi na ma adwen ba so. Na me nim ni ba. Yeah. Na me nim ni ba.
None de obi ka so beda. Just minimum be a obo kitty. Ono na ebo ken. On se no drive kitty no. Agonu mo issue. Na ties jom ken. Ya beta ne kring. Wada. Share. Right. Minimum be a year ba ni fear speaker ya sha ezifru no no. Ni ti the speaker no what that just say. One. When you come and ask your baby.
Na no was serious.
Wada why? Wada adere ya odia. Wada tu nkro mo aka ho. We two ni so do boni so a. Enim go asese ya o se na no leakage. Ya hu leakage na me so. Ba kwa me leakage na me so ma sound enti no no.
Monarch. Where the macho madaro ma Mr. Mami chipu in kakra. Rahel se enikum to wa ho. Em se won hu bi da se the money. Me ba sande mafufuro. Na me ye madwin se me ku school kakra upgrade me ho. Na me se
Sunday ma.
I'm patching. Me wo I next Sunday man next. Nti me to say Alex so adaro.
Sunday man next.
Patching.
Yeah, so hey.
Patching. And Rahel, me say me upgrade me ho kakra. Nti na me ye juma warehouse anopa no na me call adult school. Is this start adult school. Na me call night by near baby exams day no. Si me pon night na am so dey me coffee a free me be free na me ka say me say ko school me late. Ti me free night shift na me call school mo straight. Na me call say danu say na hwan ni di machio. Se me fear for Rahel na me call pake me car isi dua bi ase. School ni starting 9 me do be fan say be 8:30. And eja me bie me buku mu Rahel. Me nim ne ye me mframa na bo mani agi saa mada. Obi a mekwaya exams Rahel. Me team many 12 o'clock okay nim. O my exams na wi ama of school ni kro ma tutum. Mada. Anywhere ni mare o. Mada. Me team many so me. It's any commodity.
I know your adult sleeping. So called adult education. It's any adult sleeping.
I know, but I'm saying say any community ba enim baby a wo Rahel obi a mekwaya exams for that day.
Asem ya okay, we have what share you.
Mother, me ko paki car si duane matsna wa it's like 8:45. Me hu bibia bi. Say me book car ni Rahel mother. Me team me na at 12 o'clock. Madama on my exams na we am school na pon. Inti eni kum de ba wo so a enti we no ya o ya me anya me ho.
Say one. Ni kurani bi o tini no hu so wada. Ni kundam pe wada. Wasoro de. I don't like that.
What is that idea to is the one they be to me that. We all tertiary na your lecture back.
Confession time.
Ahimachi de yedi ehisha exam she 6. Ababa my sorry, my dress ya na msi debi. Me kontama me stroke kwan so kakra because I was staying na me ni hostel na me. I rented a place.
Had they use this
I feel de me see o any want to take it no me trainer. My dress ya me papa bibio me train any more to take a kind of sequence so therefore class rep
what lectures no that
we could not chairs and snary I did Jimmy was the father of the class rep and then I did save me yet a mom and you me go on the BM. I think there were a few people are suddenly be here and see ya address we na ya twen kaka na ya da fam na chese.
Ti omo dan na una yo mo class rep. Nti mu de mo kire mu de no so.
Ya class rep for the entire class.
Nti mo kire no so mu wiase.
Serwaa na bi wo ha dangerous so. Me madam ye de me atwam free. Tech edreje so da. Obramti adakwaja achi. Ube trotro mu na pa so mu ahu. Right, we ye
Ye do da off.
Oh, ye de me atwam me so bo me. Me calculate be ya because yes nka me simi junction so anka nso ne beto. Me du fiansa na ato. Nso ne se esi hwe me no. Hwe.
God dey no. As a what be ne obi da na say onya hosla mi say bia me da ma timi ada o ma ye de me atwam da.
Ebi mu ye hustlers nso en to ye ndam.
Ene na umbre.
Me kai mra me wie high school no wo hu na me ye adwuma wo daily graphic. Ena ya pon adwuma na ye befi me wo East Legon side nti ya fo trotro. Bra biti me ncha wada se no obesi wo Accra girls so mo dodge traffic no mo fa ho. Ya tra ho kra tripod na niti yo mate Messi Accra girls also share Accra boys no Accra boys now besi na ya tra ho ye
That only say so then near young say distance no mu wa onim so betimi afa car ko back na sa distance no a distance a ofa car enye ye na wo say wonantia is so painful
No na Accra boys no.
Na me kwa Accra na VIP na me mfu na VIP bars by na me mfu bi na so VIP no mo vovo Marco Polo de emu no ye more luxurious no na me ko fa me na me see from say me ko tade me by na sister bi abeje e can say seat and them say oyrai wan check ni ticket number no eno bi betu ni say ho not to by na me meti sister e by o say ohwe number na on neti empoma ho on neti window ni hunti me sorry no metra window eja me mpeme ho asem na me kotena me sorry no betina window no ye ko ya ye tra tech kakra ko na me hu say sister e atade hye no so ensatia wo e ko ni mu ama sister wo ya the sister means me shame jeans jacket na sister ni chene de oh wanda you do lenda do wakoto bayra ya chi awi o better no kran kon ka you invited when fi me and o we bayre ni gu me so afi ye tra lenda do ko no sister is me nda na ade utimi da na litino what litina head me show that pine na ni aba na hoso no ati ni na we play diplomacy kakra I'm sorry na me hwe no wada no ni ti apem pan e wa na mechanic ni to say da why dan I said they will do ti pem me just show that this location hey wada na ni tin what they are heading me say pan also betre mu no also on me ba ku window ho ento kwa bayre kra wa ma me bi anye afi odi mi show na beta ni pillow sister yi da fede sa na obi se of anko VIP nsi empire sister ye twawo de niti ne do achimota ma 7 Adru ma 7 sister right another day we been told that
but seriously on a live stream what me understand I don't understand
what
so many makam di actually that
make up no so
that kind of story no
wow
yeah the kind of and the other one say the can say obishano at Air Force what brother
Brian right ka mo mi emblem no ko yi uti ko yi ene do ko pass them by ene no so yi bi na ne de na hana yese onzo ko park so no mo te
now when na me de me hu ye for be sending man because I don't understand
haircut no
I have so no it's how we
because old cap na odidi ni papa tama obi say old cap go nya so person look young come and see oto say net TikTok anya social media nka mo bi kra mo ntimi nkasa no ho sa
hi
o charge just a charge ni nyina aka ho bi na ma depression or say abema or die or than in sun half or sunti. Or sorry, none of him no. Paint no. Not eraser paper half.
Wow.
Omra who miss ya dini. Oh, makeup.
I think Viva was he from, but I want to say we appreciate what she did, and on behalf of Oma Obama Omunina, Rebecca said Danasi. On behalf of Abusia Penyenso, Yanso team no Yanso Danasi pa. Sanya meka Abusia Penyenso on an Rebecca. Nti sister kuya jene number nti. Alright. Ti Danasi nyamishiano. I think so. Be a Friday. It's a Friday. Maybe I might not be here on Saturday because breaking news.
Breaking news.
Yeah. It's a Daddy Lumba in the month of July. I think it's a month of July, so my birthday.
Oh. When you're supposed to be out in a country street, Anna.
Maybe I must make good sound with you. Until Miss Mary Richards with you. This weekend, sir, my who made the other Mrs. of Mary Richards.
This is a birthday Richards. Wow. What? As for Richards, I say, he came to be when your news post, when you're supposed to be not just say, because I don't understand. Birthday Richards, hey.
Near what kind evidence in the way the court and you do could not court who evidence whatever and other than Akosua say what?
But I arrest my kids.
May request you mama in advance. Could you ask me? Why? Means that to be so. Bam. Say you know.
Friday and Saturday.
Yeah, really.
What's in
Friday and Saturday. So birthday into Friday and Saturday. And I wouldn't date, you know.
Friday and Saturday move back. But it will be on weekends, so
yeah, I know. Yeah. So me join you now more audio bi ana Kontonkyi media on then me audio bi ana Tangabacho obitima sambo bi.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. And so
right, Mr.
Yes. Remember, but before then, I want to finish with Mr. Akosua Mr. One. Then I'll go on to the audio and then his opinion. All right. Middle. Mr. Akosua.
Hello. I fish up.
Now, for sharing one me, I feel say, so are you for nothing, Maba? Because I know you can't say, don't know. I feel not when this one, Maba.
I feel like Yaji and Niso Yaba. Yaji and Niso, it is say, no, I do finance. Men, my cost support it. Messi. The young person and non so backo. It's a last one.
England for party, my milk just a wine abre.
England for bro.
66 years.
England. Say say da e kukuru ba enti no na kire say enyom na Viva bebo maaye no. telewa for na stamp so what I say just odobro ni ewini eti no me and then just no ma pile go say me time ma bebre nti me ni baby ayenam me un baby ya iti na ya was say ama baby me tie just na me hwe de o man fan hyemu no na yaba nti yenti
abusanfo video yi GY1 mesremo oyo odobro ni fana atwatwe okon ne bra ase odobro ni fan fo nyina ani odobro ni fans amo wi ase nyina montwo mo kon na mo mra dem pesa me ka kire mo ne se modin kunim
that's all
odobro ni fans fo nyina ani odobro ni na bushia nyina chale munim game ni play game na kama yes my boy do you want to come
mama to where pasco
oh yeah
I just want you to understand say nyom na viva eboma odobroni fuo no eno na mema mwanti ase so o mankasa kra no o mastampeso o magia tumse nkunim dia botre no eboyen ya ne ya wi ni o mo de yakosoro ba fom kra ya defense nti abeye se telewa fo ni nyina bejai telewa no omaba abenya odo ebi omo de omo ntimi ankoye odobroni omo timi ye odo bibini ni nyina ye odo na bi na kire se ye nimu a ne yeko se what ya see iti no edoso but afa na mabami amabre makochi aba me na nyina akora ye me ya ye ri na me komenim ye ri nyina na me komenim tafe ni ato me chalk mabefie yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Sarkos. Thank you.
Of course, you feel
ma film too much. Unse etoda. Odi earpiece no crash was on nkofo go wona dede ni nti no wonte ni omo ka no ba yenso ye ne nemu bi Sally wote menkam afede mabedu nti we can talk why
Rahel